guys. So, yeah, my kids are gone right now with Mama and Papa. Super cool. And I know I said I was going to be on like half an hour ago. Stuff happens. So, I'm just kind of getting myself set up, trying to see if I can let my friends know that I'm Vibecoding right now. I don't do this often, so I'm like super excited that I get to. Ta-da, ta-da. Feel those who don't know me, I am Talon Dragon. I am an artist and recently stay-home mom of 3 years. And I am trying to now pivot to technology or like the developer stuff. And right now I am attempting to win a hackathon by Vibecoding. So alright, so today I'm gonna see what I can do. I am going to be working on getting my one-shot figured out. I did take a look at Bolt's Hackathon's guidelines and stuff like that. There's lots of categories that we can do right now. So we're looking, let's see. There's 7. Let's zoom this puppy in a little bit. There's 74,000 registered participants in this hackathon right now. Holy moly. I do have one friend that I know that is participating as well. So, and she's great. She's a great artist and UX UI designer. So she'll probably come up with something very pretty. And she is starting to learn vibe coding and stuff like that too, so I'm sure she'll come out with something very cool to look at. I'm excited for her. Let's see. So these are the different resources in this hackathon. It's run by DevPost, and it looks like there's like a lot of different challenges that you can do. So make more money would be an app that would make the most money. Custom domain, I'm not sure what custom domain challenge is. Let's see. Use entry to get an iOS domain name. Cool. Well, I'm definitely going to do that when I launch. Publish. Oh, the most creative domain name open. Okay, cool. That's if we want to be silly about it, maybe, or however. That's a fun one. And all you gotta do is publish. Most creative. It's an interesting one. I want to try to get my app kind of like touching all of these different ones at the same time, so that I only need to post maybe 1, maybe 2 projects, but with maximum possibilities of placing in some sort of category. That's my plan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have one app that is going to be a single prompt, and then one app that's going to be more fleshed out, and hopefully like better MVP, kind of more of the mind-blowing types for all those bigger top prizes. We'll see. So this is for the domain name challenge. Fewer words, fewer syllables, easy to pronounce, short and simple. Endings, online store, XYZ app. Say it loud. Future proof. So that's what they're looking for that. There's a voice AI challenge from 11 Labs. Super cool. And we can add this in to our app to qualify for that one. Okay, deploy challenge for Netlify to make sure that it's up and running. Blockchain challenge with Algorand network. Let's see. This silly challenge is with Reddit, and that's for wackiest, weirdest, silliest game. this one was interesting. I was trying to look at Reddit's Bolt stuff earlier. And I was having like kind of like some issues. Oh, forgot to post. Forgot to let everybody know that I actually did make a community on Reddit. And that's one of the things that I wasn't sure, because I made a Reddit Bolt Hackathon community to test out a app, test out adding my own apps and stuff. So I don't know. Let me see if they already join us on Discord and Reddit. Build a Reddit app using Bolt. Submission materials required. Demo post. Public. Required. Reddit username. Make a dev platform account. Alright. Okay, cool. So, yeah, it doesn't say that we need to do anything specific there. When I go to their template, it basically says it basically tells me to use this template, run it in my Bolt, press login, and then in it we prompted to follow a link and paste an authentication code in my terminal window and enter playtest subreddit. For this step, you'll need to go to Reddit and create an empty subreddit for my test app. So I'll create a community, then paste the name of the subreddit and put it in, and then run. Interesting. Okay, so we're just gonna end up with a bunch of subreddits soon, I guess. But this is mine. I stole the Bolt Hackathon with the capital B and H. Because I didn't know once you make a community, you cannot change the original name of the community. You can change like the display of it, I guess, but you cannot change the original. Is there no, really? There's no like Bolt. Okay. Is a community emoji required? Okay, anyway. That's for later. That's for when I want to test and deploy and make sure that it works. But that one is fine. So I want to make sure that my app works first. And the one that I want to make is that the game would be a one-shotter in here, supposedly, hopefully. Anyway, you guys came to watch me vibe code, and that's what I have to do. So, my original idea was to create a MMORPG. MMORPG. But it's not just a game. I was thinking of making a game creation engine, or a game creation thing. So I don't know whether or not Bolt can handle that, but so far when I put in my prompt that I created with ChatGPT, my prompt was this one. This was my prompt that I used ChatGPT to help me with. Basically asked it, okay, create me something that would tell Bolt to create my engine for me. I I'm gonna try vibe coding this as much as possible. And what I did was I tried to see if I could get this all input into my bulk for a one-shot, because that's another category that is allowed in Bulk's Hackathon prize list. Let's see, it's here. 1st, 5th, 10th regional, then the bonus awards is here. Why is this? I think it's a chat bot. So, inspirational stories. One shot is the one. Best project built with only a single prompt. So, if for those that can figure that one out, that'll be interesting. I already know of one guy that's just done with his stuff, and it was a one-shot single project, and it's pretty cool. AI used in there and everything. It's pretty awesome. Then we have useful, creative use of AI, most beautiful, most viral, unicorn. Looks like it's on the path to $1 billion startup. Problem fix, top build in public journey. That's what I'm doing right now. I want to see if I can win this top build in public journey. So this is day 3 officially of letting everyone know that I've been vibe coding and working on the project. We didn't know we needed this. It's a surprise project that we all want. That's fun. Most likely to get funded. So those are the bonus, and they're pretty cool. So some of these are like up for grabs whether or not you're a noob dev or not, and that's really cool. So let's see. So this one right here is my project that I tried using. I kind of screwed up a little bit because when I prompted for my thing to go, I forgot to tell it that I wanted it to be that I wanted it to not just read it, my prompt. I wanted it to actually execute. So I forgot to tell it to execute. So make sure you write down in your stuff, tell your AI to execute. So I had to go back in and say, okay, here's the prompt that I just provided to create my thing. So they finally made all this for me. So let's see, it set up core dependencies. So before I go into all this, I know this was long. I'm gonna put chapters in here later on, and so you can skip all my random ramblings of nonsense. But what I'm gonna do is, I wanted to make a one-shot thing. So from the beginning, I wanted to try to attempt a one-shot app. And looking at the different bonus stuff, what could I make? Something useful with AI, most viral, getting notifications on Discord. Oh, cool. Ayo, I might be getting a gig soon. That's fun. I will get back to you. Alright. Anyway. Something. So what should I do? What should I do? That's the hardest part. What should I make? What should I do? I could go the route where it's like most popular games. I was trying that, saying, hey, what is the most popular game that I can make in a single prompt? And of course, the most popular is Flappy Bird. everybody and their grandma can make Flappy Bird though. So I wanted it to be kind of like a little bit more complex, which is why it ended up looking at complexity. Here's one top-down shooter. It's not necessarily as popular. There's Chrome Dino Runner. I played with Dino Runner. It's basically just like it's similar to like a Mario style game, but Mario style game is more complex, and it may not be as great for single prompting, but the whole idea is to try to push Bolt's possibilities. So let's see. And I do want it to be a game, a fun game, and I want it to be be deployed on Reddit as a game that you can play. And since it's going to be a silly game, might as well like give it like a very unique domain name that people will remember, right? So let's do something fun that maybe somebody would enjoy. Oh, how about this? You know, this is something that I haven't tried, that I kind of tried a long time ago, and it sort of started going well. Anyway, I'm gonna create a new chat. Help me to write a single prompt for Bolt AI that will create a. I'm just gonna do it. This is something that I've wanted to do for a long time, and I don't really care too much if it goes viral or not, or people use it or whatever. Help me to write a single prompt for Bolt AI that will create a fun otome game with both male and female characters that we can date. These characters will be AI will have AI will be let's see, let's make it even more fun. I'm gonna make this inspired by like one of my favorite mangas. Help me sing it for that will create your dream boyfriend or girlfriend. This will be browser based and mobile friendly. UI UX design. Theme is light mode. Is cute light mode with pastel colors and cute. I don't know. No. Okay, pastel colors. The images will be generated by AI. There will be the user writes in their ideal body traits, if I can spell, ideal body traits, body, personality, and backstory traits. This info will be used to create button, click options. For traits, colors, styles such as manhwa, manga, anime, what else? Realistic, comic, cartoon. Okay. And voice options. Voice options will also be AI generated. Be AI assigned, maybe? Assigned. Based on accents, personality, tone, and tone preferences, all double traits. Full button option traits. After, let's see, a lot. After the BFGF generator client is creation client is done generating. Okay. Okay. The user journey will include landing page about creating their perfect date. With a prominent CTA to begin their creation. It will then let's see. User will then join the creation the GF clients. Creation clients to start choosing their options. Once confirmed, the AI will start to create their character. An image. And let's see, a chat. The page, the next page will load a chat box that you can interact with your, oh wait, no, before that, you want to make sure that it has something fun. After creation, there is a brief animation that says, congrats, Tebo! What's up? What's up? I decided to try a one-shot prompt. And apparently I'm gonna make an Otome game as an app for Reddit. Ayo. But the Otome is going to be basically allowing the person to create their perfect BFGF and then chat with the BFGF. Live with a picture of their new AI. With a creation of their new AI and a start chatting or login, maybe they log in to chat to start chatting button. The start chatting, the login will prompt will create a new account, save their AI creation and message history. Oh. I'm gonna just go ahead and pause the music. I didn't realize it was so loud. Sorry about that. And I've beefed up my mic all the way too. Oh, you know what? Maybe it's because my streaming stuff had it kind of high. Oh, it's booming. My bad. My bad. Wish someone told me that earlier. I think I had someone in here that scared them away. I was talking this whole time too. They're not going to be able to hear any of it. Oh boy. Thanks, Tibble. Yeah, I'm talking, so I might as well turn it off. Cool. So, yeah, so what I'm doing is I am deciding I'm going to try one-shotting and creating a Otome game-ish that generates your AI character based on your preferences and all that stuff. And then you'll be able to chat with your AI person after you log in so that you can save your AI creation and your message history. Next page will load a chat box that you can add interact with your AI. Okay, and then let's see. Ooh, I also want to put settings. So let's see. Color, stuff, no chats. Theme is cute, pastel, generate AI, user rights, ideal. Backstory and traits, including the setting and how they know each other or are met. Okay, good. All right, and then next page will load chat box. We interact with your AI as if you are texting each other. There should be a goal where you are not yet GF BF, and the goal is to win their love and affection. Okay, so that gives people a goal to go for. The AI will respond and determine how long it takes for it to fall in love, depending on their personality, traits, etc. Traits, goals, etc. And then there should, let's see, if the user returns to their dashboard, it should list their AI GFBF with a love meter indication. Oh yeah, one-shotting is interesting. I'm trying to use ChatGPT to kind of create the prompt for me and see what happens, and then put it into Bolt, because if I were to use Bolt to try to do it, I'm gonna end up wasting all my credits. So that's the idea. I'm kind of in love with this project though, so if this ends up not one-shotting the way I want it to, I might just turn this into a whole big thing. We'll see. Okay, okay. Let me know if I am missing any important details. Be sure to also keep in mind the previous stack. MCP, CP, stack. Do I need a teammate? Depends, I guess. It depends. Right now I am, hey Joshua, thanks for coming. Oh yeah. Well, the cool thing about Bolt is that they are giving away a promo code for their Pro plan. Because otherwise you're limited to only so many credits a day and then so many credits per month. So for like the next 30 days or so, they're using, if you register, then you get a promo code and then you can use it towards your Bolt subscription. So that's what I have right now too, and it gave me a bunch of credits to work with, so that's great. I think I have like 10 million credits right now on Bolt. What am I building right now? I am trying to build a silly, basically a fake dating app thing. Oh, you got the promo plan too, Tebo? That's cool. Yeah, this dating app is basically it's kind of inspired by this manga that I used to read, where this girl goes online and then creates their ideal boyfriend online, and then the boyfriend shows up one day at the door, so it's kind of like a robot-ish thing, and then just be's her boyfriend for a while. 10M not suff. I'm not sure what that means. I'm sorry. I think you were trying to write something else. $10 million credits being not enough. That's something I would agree with. Let me know if I'm missing any important details. Should I keep in mind previous MCP? Stack. Set up from previous chat. The Bolt AI will have this as their global MCP setup. Okay. Oh, not sufficient. Yeah. I got you. Absolutely. Okay, let's see if that was enough details. Luckily, this saves what I wrote down, so I can always tweak it, whatever. Okay, ChatGPT, tell me, can I create a prompt? Single shotting. AI dream partner creation. I'll work on the title. Oh, both, Josh. I am building a fun app for this hackathon. Create your dream, AI boyfriend or girlfriend, pastel world of love. Oh, pastel world of love awaits. Oh my god, I'm dying. Hello, that. Okay. That's the title, the bump title. Okay, single prompt for both AI UX driven modular setup. You're an AI companion creation engine integrated into a browser-based mobile-friendly pastel theme love simulator. Roshan. Oh, heyo, Roshan. Your username says Joshua, so I wasn't sure. Roshan. Cool. So you haven't started building yet for the hackathon? Tebo, you've been messing around with the bold stuff too, yeah? GDG, what's up, my friend? I know, I finally am able to like run away from the kids and do a little live stream. Isn't that fun? So fun. I'm having fun. Let's see. Task is to guide the user through a romantic character builder experience. Help the user generate their ideal AI partner, boyfriend, girlfriend by guiding them through a visually engaging gamified creation flow. Then enable them to build a relationship with the character over time through a simulated chat-based experience. Well, this is a lot better than what I was writing. Oh, looking for teammates. Gotcha. Yeah, right now I'm just singling right now just to see if this will be my ultimate single prompt. If not, though, then I might just kind of love this silly app idea and then want to create something with it. Roshan, tell me what your skills are. What are you good at? I'm sure we can do something. Let's see, design and mood, UI theme, cute light mode, soft pastels, pink, blues, greens, and lavender. Illustration styles. Ooh, user select via buttons, very good. Layout must work well on both desktop and mobile browsers, very good. User journey flow, landing page, design your perfect dream date, subtext, build your dream AI. I might work on this subtext. CTA button, start your love story. I like that. Actually don't know how many people are on my stuff right now. I only see who's chatting. I could have a bunch of people, I don't know. Okay, prompting the creation client, component-based stepper. Okay, so prompt, let's build your dream companion. Body style options, personality traits, with clickable pill buttons. Very good. Voice accent options. Fun. Very fun. 2 zillion. We don't have 2 zillion viewers. You're lying. Probably more like 2. If Tebo's still there. Maybe 3 now that you're here. Self-taught AI ML developer. Cool. Multimedia degree. Oh, cool. Python. Heyo. Built AI web apps, UAV swarm systems, and diffused space 3D generators. That's cool. Hey, if we turn this into like a legit working app, then you can be my AI person. Sounds good. I haven't really dabbled too much in the AI LLM stuffs too much, aside from prompting things and making pretty pictures. So I hear a bing. Someone's messaging me. Oh. Silly. Oh, you're see. Yeah. Let's go for it. Yeah, let's see. I know. The suspense. What will bot do? Once user confirms. I'm just double checking. Character creation phase. Login, save, chat UI, dashboard, AI memory, tech considerations. Voice assignment, 11 Labs. Cool, because 11 Labs is also a sponsor, so very cool. We can do that. I also have some connections that we can do AI agents. Component React. Okay, well, let's try it. Okay, Bolt. That's probably going to use up like at least 1 million tokens right there. So, hello, Bolt. Common prompt it. Common prompt. What does that mean? Hey, Bolt. Create a Reddit app. Just paste it. yeah, I'll just paste it. Last time I just pasted it without telling it to actually make the thing, though. It said, that's cool. What you want to do with it? And I'm like, oh, dang it. Yeah, will do. Create a Reddit app that is both, oh, well, it already knows it's, create a Reddit app with the following prompts. App that will do the, with the following prompt. And I can sometimes need to be like persnickety with their requests. All right, fingers crossed. Let's go. Let's see. So I've got 10.9 million tokens right now. It's reading. Following features. Oh yeah, I could have put the following features. Okay, I thought for 8 seconds. While it's going, let's see what it says. Make this bigger so y'all can see it too. Based on your requirements, I'll create a cute pastel-themed AI companion creation platform where users can design and interact with their dream boyfriend or girlfriend. I'll implement this as a complete MVP, all the core functionality, focusing on a delightful user experience and appealing design. Sounds perfect. So far, so good. There's no preview yet, so. Core features, interactive character with customizable stuff, multiple illustration styles, simulated chat experience, user AI authentication system to save, companions in history, love meter that grows based on quality and frequency, dashboard to manage multiple AI companions, responsive design, and pastel theme. Perfect. Design elements, soft pastel colors, actual input on the hex code, Very good. Oop. Playful typography. Rounded sans. Love it. Comic Sans for the win. Click on the code tab. Sure. Yeah. It's going. It is going. There's a heart icon SVG going. And too. I love this. This is going. Holy. It's going. It's going. Protected route. Landing page. Oh. Dino. Thanks for subscribing. Heyo. Let's see. Character creation page. Okay, now it's starting to do pages. Cool, cool. Custom illustrated elements for character UI, floating action, buttons, navigation, emotionally engaging visual feedback. Oh, okay. Mobile first responsive, Dream Date AI companion creation app. Okay, initial files, update package JSON, installing dependencies, that went through okay. It's creating types, store utils components, using Tailwind, created the main index HTML, created a public heart SVG file. I'm curious to see if it's an actual heart file, heart SVG. But I don't want to click on it yet because I want to see what it's generating here. Okay, dashboard page is being made now. Plus a message circle. It's going, it's going. It even has some like template images. There's the chat page being made now. Components, protected route. Dashboard, chat page. Oh, right? How much tokens will this take? Dude, that's why I saved it until... This is why one-shotting the prompts. I was curious to do it. I gotta look at the rules to see if one-shotting means I just put in one thing. Oh, it went all the way to the end. Okay, preview time. Oh, it didn't use a whole lot. Serious? It didn't use a lot? Oh my god! Yeah! Oh my god, let's pop this bad boy out. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take off my dark reader. Oh, it's pink! It's pink! I love this. Design your perfect dream date. Build your dream AI boyfriend, girlfriend with a backstory, personality, shared history. Start your love story. Create your perfect companion. Oh my goodness. Customize. You confident multiple companions. Ready to meet your perfect match. I would just, you know what? I would just center these and then that's a perfect landing page. Okay, let's see. So far, I'm like giddy. My stuff is Dream Date AI. That's fun. Oh my god! The pages work. Yes! Yes, the pages work. And then I love the colors. The colors are great. The UI is great. This is perfect so far. Basic. What would you like to call your companion? Oh my god, this is great. I'm I'm gonna name him Bob. No, come on, Bob. Bob. Wow. Okay. Okay. It's probably just laggy because of a lot going on. Bob. I want it to be my boyfriend. Oh my gosh, I love this. Next. I love this. This is fantastic. Oh my gosh. Physical. Okay, I want him tall, dark, and handsome. Yeah, let's do it. I love this builder. This builder is great. Yeah. This is exactly what I wanted. Eye color. I love hazel eyes. Let's go. Okay, and then hair color. Purple. Why not? It'd be just like my avatar. Personality. So up to three. Protective. Mysterious. Maybe. No, maybe not. Oh, okay. You can click on, click off. Very good. Like the toggle. Bob the Builder. No. That would be hilarious, though. I want to see a Bob the Builder. Although, you know what? I do like very handy guys. Bob the Builder would be a very good match for me. I'm not gonna lie. I did marry a builder. Holy moly. Okay, protective, loyal. It's a good one. Okay, I'm gonna go mysterious. No, shy. Shy is good. Shy Bob. Let's do a shy Bob. Voice and accent. Okay, I wonder if we can hear it. Can we hear it? Probably not. No. Soft and calm, playful, deep romantic. French. Let's see, Korean, American, French, or British? Can't go wrong with a British accent. No, can't hear it. But that's something I would want. I would want to put into the voice area the option to listen to the voices first. Or at least like a sample. But I probably have to like hook up my AI things first. Well, this is an interesting placeholders going on. I would change this. Yeah, I haven't connected with 11 Labs yet. That's true. I hear binging. Bing. Being binged. I don't know where or why or how. I know it is a Discord. Okay, anyway. No. I don't know. Okay. Let's see. Let's go with realistic. I know, I still need to like put in my AI peeps things and whatnot, but I'm trying to see how much it can do on its own so far. Okay, how did we meet? Backstory. This is so cool. How did we meet? Choose a backstory for your relationship. In school, you met as classmates. Time travel, mysteriously appeared from another time. Rivals to lovers. Online, through social media, or a dating app. Coffee shop. Neighbors. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna say school. Yeah, let's just do a generic school. Alright, Bob. Let's see how you do. Ready to create your dream companion? It even has a rotating S. I'm like dying. Dream companions. Welcome back, user. Here's your AI companions. Bob. Love level. Just met and in love. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. Start chatting. Bob is online. Good afternoon. I hope you're having a nice day. It's actually working. There's actually AI going. Ah, I can video call? I can call? What is this? Call feature coming soon. A video call coming soon. Okay, cool. I'm gonna upload. Additional coming soon. Image sharing soon. Okay, let's see. Hi, Bob. I'm great. How are you? Those are just placeholders. Yeah, I know. But that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, though. It put in the UI elements that I would want and need in there for like future developing. So that's pretty cool. Oh my gosh, it even has a shy thing going. I'm doing okay. I'm dying. I'm dying. All right. Bye, GDG. Just messing around. Bob's a sweet talker. He is. This is so funny. Thanks for coming, GDG. You guys have to try this later. I'm gonna deploy on Netlify, and then you guys can go make your thing. We'll see what happens. Can I do it? Okay. Oh no, you sound sad. Why? What happened? Oh, just thinking about how lucky I am to have you in my life. Yeah, love meter. It went up. That's super cool. Ask it something random. Oh. Oh, that's so sweet. Hey, do you like sushi? Oh. Let me know when you get home safe. Okay. Oh, I'm already home though. Okay, yeah, it's just generic things. But you know what? That's cool. That's cool. And so far, it's working the way I want it to. Love level's going up. It's pretty sweet. And then we can always refine with like better integrations like 11 Labs and actual AI agent stuff. And then you can create again. Cannot go back though. Oh, cannot go back. That's no good. What if I need to cancel? I need a back button. Hey. Okay. All right. Well, this was great. This is great so far. I love it. And it only used up 0.1 million tokens to create this app. You know what? I think this is going to be my one shot. There we go. Good job, Bolt. Yay. Okay, let's see if I can shoot this out to the verse now. All right. So now that I've made my app, I'm going to see how do we deploy this bad boy. It's integrations. So some things that we needed to put in here. Yeah, I think that's what it is. 100,000 tokens. So yeah, well, I wouldn't be able to make this app if not for the pro version that allows a couple million, I think. Yeah, so because I think it's capped at like 50,000 a day, 60,000 a day, something like that. AI can do a lot of cool things if you let it. All right, so let's see. I want to deploy. Let's see. Do I have to just deploy? I know. Will it just deploy? Okay, it'll just automatically go into Netlify. Oh. Using Beat. Running. Initiated deployment process. Site successfully deployed. I can view it here at Tangerine Sherbert. Serious? Serious? To transfer this project to my own account, I can use this claim URL and then set up a custom domain. Let's see. OM Giza, guys. Go try it. Tangerine Sorbet. Here's the thing. Go try it. Tell me if it's working. Tangerine Sorbet 240b7c .netlify.app. This is sick. I'm not gonna lie. K-Bolt, your pro service is pretty dang cool. Drop it in the chat. Let's see. I have to I'm like reading the chat room via my OBS. 1 second. Copy. Let's go to my channel. Okay. Okay, here we go. Boom. Test it. Try it. Tell me if it's working. Yeah, I gotta put in user sign up and stuff, which means I gotta set up the 0 off whatnot. It's working. That is so freaking fantastic. That is so sick. That's sick. So what I gotta do is I gotta figure out, okay, what I gotta do next is I gotta figure out, it's so sick. I'm like still kind of tripping out right now. I'm so sick. Okay. What I need to do now is figure out, what do I need to figure out? Okay, well, hey, so these are the categories I'm going to be shooting for is the one-shot competition, creative use of AI, most beautiful perhaps, viral, if you share it. Will you share it? Will you share it to your friends? Let them try it out. Problem fit, it's not going to solve any problems. It's just probably going to create more sociopaths. I'm just joking. Okay. All right, so let's see. I need to know if I'm allowed to edit my code base manually in order to still qualify for the one shot, because I think it's super slick and cool as it is right now. And if I'm not allowed to edit it in the code area, then I don't want to touch it. I want this to be my one shot. I can? Sweet. All right, cool. So no more prompting. My prompting is done. This is my prompt. Oh, for one shot, I can't. Dang it. Okay, that's what I thought. All right. Okay. This is fun. So this is my one shot then. This is all I did. This is all I'm touching. And then what I'm going to put is I'm going to deploy this also to GitHub. And I'm going to put into my README file that future things that I would want to touch and adjust to it afterwards is, you know, XYZ. So it doesn't actually have like an actual stuff. I guess I wouldn't be able to. Yeah, I know it's really hard. I mean, if we were to use AI though, it's like it has all of the places where we would put our API or your, like, how would we be able to use 11 labs if we can't touch the code, you know? So there must be like some workaround. I can add more features. Are we asking? Are we asking the hackathon peeps? Are we allowed to do that? I need a mod. Where's the questions? Let's search one shot. One. Prompt. I should have put it in the prompt. Well, see, while it was generating, it said that it was going... Oh, you mean the API keys into the prompt? That probably would have done it. Yeah, if I'm allowed to just sign up for 11 labs and then paste it. Oh, paste it in the prompt? But then that makes it more than one prompt, right? See, that's the thing I'm wondering. It's like, am I allowed to touch it afterwards? And if not, then I might have to do what Tebo said and include all my API keys in the initial prompt. Let's try then. Let's assume that's the rule. Save the prompt, delete the project, add again, add all the features and API, and then shoot. Yeah. All right, let's improve our prompt then. So, I mean, it only took that much anyway. Hopefully there's no like really hard limit that we've reached so far on this. So, let's see. I used this prompting for it. Let's see if we can find the original. Okay, this was the original prompt that I created. Okay, and then I am going to make a little text box area, if it will let me. Okay, I wrote it down in my notes. It's off to the side right now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on underneath it, use these API keys during your build, and then plug in go to my, oh, I can put it in my Supabase account. Or you mean to like find my API key? Okay. Dashboard. Ooh. Possibly. I could possibly do that. Okay, new organization. What should we call this bad boy? We're gonna call it... I was gonna say something super inappropriate. Maybe I shouldn't call it that. Let's see. Yeah, super base for saving user data. Super base API key. Tavis. Oh, what's that? Yeah, Tavis for video avatar. Tavis API key. Only thing is, you guys are gonna be like watching me do this. Maybe okay. Maybe I'll put this on the side. I don't want nobody hacking my project. Oh, the project name? Name it Talon? No. No, it has to be creative. We're also going to be trying to go for the Netlify or the entropy, what's it called? Category. So it has to be something super creative like Orange Summer or sounds good. Yeah. 11 labs. So I got to make an 11 labs, a super base. Select objects that require fossil fuels to operate? Jeez. Okay, motorcycles. Not bikes. I'm assuming that's what it means. Oh, I failed. Jesus. Okay, drag the object on the right. Oh, these authentication stuffs is crazy. Organization name. What do I want to call it? I want to call it. Let's ask ChatGPT. Give me options for app names. Make it as silly and memorable, but as silly, memorable, and cute as possible. The ending domain should be .app, maybe? No, leave it open-ended. Loveify. Loveify.app. Love.me. Let's see. Databyte. Oh my god! I'm dying. Oh my god. ChatGPT, you're just hilarious. Databyte. That's freaking hilarious. Okay. Love EXE. Crushcraft. Pixel Heart. Smooth Love. Oh, okay. AI, yai. What? Code me, maybe? Oh my god. This is great. Blushbot. Heart Bloom. Simulive. Bite Me Bay. Love Loop. Cuddlecore. Flirt Chip. Dream Boo. Extra silly pastel theme. Let's see. Sweetie. EXE. Oh. Snuggle Stack. Pastel Bang. Uwu. Verse. Oh my gosh. Kiss EXE. Soft Boyfriend. .ai. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put it .ai if I can. Cupcake Crash. Bubble Love. Charm OS. AI Lovey Dovey. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Oh no, I don't know what to choose. So far, I really like this Iwiverse. Iwiverse.ai. Tempting? Uverse AI. Databyte.ai. Love.exe. Ah, haha. I'm so tempted. Okay, what do you guys think? I'm kind of torn between like this one, the verse. I don't know how you say that out loud. Verse, or Databyte. Maybe not Databyte. Not Databyte. Uverse. This one. All right, guys. This is it. That's my stuff. So verse. Let's go. Actually, let's see if it's even an option. Please check if the domain name verse is available. Oh no, someone took it already. Ah! Oh, sad. Utopia, Uverse, IO, Uwu World, Uwu Land. I mean, there's Uverse IO. No, somebody did. Someone took Uverse.ai. I'm mad. Never underestimate the people of Kauai. They will snag any emoji. I mean, if somebody already took it, I'm so sad. Let's see. Maybe I should ask it. Oh, there's sources button. That's cool. Let's see. Namecheap. You know what? Let's look it up. Can we look it up? I wonder if it's just not available because of the AI. Oh, it's actually a. Okay, now this is sus. Now this is sus, guys. I'm not going to not secure websites. No, thank you. Never mind. Let's not do that. Okay, so actually somebody did claim it then. Boo. No, boo. I don't want to continue to cite. I don't want no freaking. It's available for 107. Do I want to spend $107 on a already? How do I? How should I check? How do I check? Namecheap? Reject cookies. Ooh. Oh, it is. So it is available. Why did it say it's not available? Why did ChatGPT? Why did you lie? Postinger. Well, one of the categories we're allowed is from entry. So let's try entry. Let's see. Here we go. Found it. Okay. Ooh woo verse .ai. Check. Oh, it's available. It's available. Otherwise, there's all these different ones. Okay, all right. No one took it. Sweet stuff. Googleverse.me. it's totally getting cheaper. All right, cool. So I'll make a thing. I'm just gonna add it to my cart for now. Oh, 2-year registration for this name. For that domain AI. Oh, I can bundle it. .org.info for $1. Well, that's kind of cool. I'm tempted. I am tempted to do this. Okay, well, let's see. First off, let's go in order. Where's my bolt? Bolt says, okay, transfer this Netlify project to your own account on Netlify. I don't even think I have a Netlify account yet. Let's make one with GitHub. Authorize. Claim. Oh, maybe I did. Tangerine Chebe. Deployed from Bolt. Okay, project deployed. Set up a custom domain and secure with HTTPS. Collect form submissions. Split test. Don't do it. Why? What happened? What happened? Don't get .ai? But it says, DevPost says, use entry to get an IONS domain name, publish on your stuff. Most creative domain name will win. I could win $10,000, I think. Pretty sure that's a prize. I'm pretty sure that's a prize amount for that bonus. Challenge prizes. Custom domain challenge prize. Grand prize, second prize, 8th prize, 10th. Custom domain. I could win $25,000 and an espresso monitor. Oh, no, yeah. I want to do it in order. Am I doing a new one shot? I don't know. Should I just create multiple one shots and see which ones I like best? That's true. Oh, yeah. No, I'm supposed to redo this thing with all the other features and whatnot. Yeah. Totally. I will do that. Yes, but I just wanted to like double check um, what I need. You know, I need to grab all my API keys and all that stuff. So I want to make sure that I'm getting everything. So, Tavis would be the AI to use. That's a good idea. Voice AI maybe? Resources, what's it? Real-time AI avatars. Build real-time with Tavis. Okay, so how do I get to, here it is. Oh no, that's YouTube. Okay, well, all right. I already know I want it. I want to make sure I'm grabbing it from like the code. No. I want to make sure I'm using the right ones. Here's the configuration. OpenAI. Oh, I need an OpenAI key. I don't have OpenAI. Avatar agent. Okay, I would need Python, LiveKit, Tavis, Avatar, Deepgram 11 Labs, and Tavis. Maybe I can just use Tavis. Ugh. I'm just gonna Google it. Tavis IO. Hope that's the one. OS for human AI interaction. Oh my gosh! That's scary! Guys, that's super scary. This is scary! Sucking AI. Sheesh. Oh my goodness. I'm like super scared to touch this. I don't know why. I can really build my Bob. My Bob's gonna be tall, dark, and handsome. He's gonna look like The Rock. Oh, that's so bad. This is so fun. That's so bad. This is fun. Okay, let's get started. I'm pretty sure this is the one. I'll sign up with Google. Oh, sure. Yeah, okay. You better not have viruses. No kidding. This is kind of crazy. Okay, free plan. Ooh, gets white labeled APIs, 25 free minutes of AI conversation, video generation. I'm okay with watermarks and stuff. Cool. Replica training. Sure. Okay, anyway. Where can I get my API keys? There it is. Okay, I'm gonna have to pop this over to another screen. Sorry. Okay, creating an API key. We're gonna call it verse key. Or the verse. Oh, that's right, my hackathon pack. Gmail. Thanks, guys. I'm so glad I'm doing this live. It's in my stars. Filter pack. Tier access for 11 labs. Pika. Sentry. Expo. Lingo. River Dev Tavis. There it is. Okay, I get 250 free conversational video minutes. Up to 3 concurrent CVIs. Ha ha ha. This is so freaking cool. Ooh, I have a custom current plan is custom, and it will change to free plan on July 12th. Looks good. I can have up to 3 replicas, 250 conversation minutes, but no video generation, no lip sync. That's fine, I guess. Okay, create you will verse. API key is the name I'm using. All right, time to bust out my black book of API keys. My little black book. Well, I'm gonna just put it in my notebook for now. Can always change it. Tavis API key. Okay, Supabase. Let's see. Well, key prefix. I wonder if we can connect it to our bolt. Is TVIS something we can integrate into our bolt? Do you guys know? That way I don't have to like put it into this thing. Applications. I'm going to connect my Netlify. Okay. So that's connected now. I gotta mention it in the prompt. I don't want to. Too bad it doesn't have more integration options. I want to integrate my thing. Boo. Fine. Yeah. I want to integrate my TVIS as a thing. Lame. Okay, well, I'm going to create a new chat. Because this time we're going to be putting in our API keys. I know, I gotta put in my prompt. Boo. Okay. Let's look at the docs. Do I seriously need to? Because maybe I can hook, you know? Maybe I don't have to put the actual API key in there. Maybe I can just hook it. Oh, bro. Where's the persona ID? Oh, no. That's not what I need. All right, yeah. API key string is required. Boo. All right, okay, I got you. I tried. I just don't like to share API keys. I'm just gonna have to change it later. So. Okay, so I have that in my prompts for this is for TVIS API key. Okay, so I added that API key in here. Then my Supabase. I'm gonna go get my Supabase API. Supabase API would be create a new organization. Integrations. Make a new project. Call it UWoo first. Password. Okay. Connecting with my API. Ah, you guys see my API, boo! Silly, being silly. Okay, project URL. Supabase. Project URL. Supabase. API key. And my secret key. Crackers. Okay, project URL, API key. Well, I'm connected on my Supabase, so it will be able to process the Supabase key. So, Supabase URL. I'm gonna pop this out so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Because I got my stuff here, and then here's my things. So it says on Supabase that I need to, I'm gonna have to change this to Supabase URL. This one to Supabase key, and then this one is access in the Supabase key, and then Supabase oh, cool. Yeah. And then revenue cat. Supabase. Yeah. Oops. Oops. What did I do? that's the API key. It's the project URL. And then my stuff is in okay. Okay. All right. So that's Supabase, and then I want to use Revenue Cat. API. So let's see. I did make a Revenue Cat. I mean, if it's able to do history, then probably storing previous conversations and the character would be what I would be storing. So that's a good point. Database storage. Store the character. And conversation history. A character. Store character. Convo history and love meter. Progress. Yeah. Store login info. User login info. Then I need to, yeah, login, sign up. Oh, sign up. Yeah, login, sign up. Sign up. Info. Okay, so I have a login, save, create user account, save AI data, chat history. To profile. I'm just have this thing. Yeah, I gotta put this in a good way. I'll have it regenerate this. Store user login sign up info. Make sure there is a login sign up page. Yeah, the UI is going to change a bit, but at least we have an idea of what will pop out a little bit. So things that we were missing were stuff like that. So use Supabase for I can put that up there. Use Supabase for database storage. Use 11 Labs and Tevis for AI integrations, which I still need to get the 11 Labs. Revenue Cat, am I logged in? Where's my Revenue Cat? Okay, so I have that connected. Charts, customers, projects. We'll create a new project called Universe. Web building. Payment provider. Looks like Stripe would be the payment provider. Gonna end up making like my own Gmail. Viewilverse@gmail.com. But for now, API key. Okay, new API key for Viewilverse. We're gonna call it RevCat API key. Version 1, I guess. Oh, version 2? Oh, there's all kinds of stuff in version 2. Bye, Tabo! Bye, Joshua! Oh, wait, Joshua's leaving. Bye, Joshua! Or, oh, Risha! Roshan. Bye, Roshan! See me now, Tebo. He was a super big help. Let's see, apps configuration. Offerings, packages. Invoice configuration. Subscription. I can hear my babies in the background crying. my poor in-laws. Oh, jeez. Okay, I'm gonna just stick with the version 1 because I don't want to mess with any of that. Okay, RevCat API key. So we're gonna add this RevCat API key here. So that's my RevCat, and then let's see what else. Tavis, so I got my Tavis in here, Supabase, RevCat. I need 11 labs. Let's look for my... It'd be cool if I could get it, like, Web3 stuff in here too, but it's okay. I'm hearing dings again. I don't know where it's coming from. Too many notifications. Maybe it was my phone. maybe my in-laws messaged me going, hello. No, I'm okay. Still okay. Okay, logging into 11 labs now. Oh. Phantom Wallet doesn't like 11 Labs, apparently. Oh no. Phantom Wallet doesn't like Firebase apps, apparently. What happened? What just happened here? Trying to log in to Phantom. I mean, not Phantom. I'm trying to log into 11 Labs. Okay, I'm going to sign in with my GitHub. Instead of my Google. My account exists with different credentials. Well, I know that. I have one with Google, I believe. Why won't you let me sign in, 11 Labs? Phantom Wallet don't like you, that's why. There we go. I think it's hilarious. Yes, I know you can see all my keys. I'm gonna have to put it in the prompt anyway. So it's basically exposed. I just want to like make sure that it's working. I'm probably gonna change them all out later. Okay. Okay, I got my 11 Labs. Let's see. Creator tier and enter my code. So, manage subscription. Now subscribe to creator tier. How long does this last for? $3 months. Okay. So I'll go for 3 months only. Monthly. Okay, promo code. Da, 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 da. Okay, where do I put my promo code? It won't let me put it in. Let's try this again. Subscription. Unless it's only for new people. Well, I've got 10,000 credits. Sorry, this part's boring because I'm trying to set this up. Why is this difficult? Manage my subscriptions. Subscribe. Creator. Monthly. Billing address. Don't want to save info. Guys, I want to put in a different coupon code. So ears. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna come back to 11 Labs later. Enter at checkout. See, I can't find it. Maybe it's because it's not new. Lingo, API, credits for Dapier. Enhance your bolt projects with AI search and custom copilots. Dapier's cool. Don't need that, I think, though. I don't want just a 50% discount. 3 months free of River. Dev. I haven't checked out Dev 2 plus plus. What is that? Partnerships and offers that let you dabble, experiment, become a stronger developer. I don't know what this is, but let's get a membership, why not? Enter the promo code at checkout. Oops. All right, see you later, Tabo. Hopefully I can get this sucker going. Thanks for helping me out today. Okay, created a dev plus account. Why do I feel like I've already gotten a dev plus account? What does this do? Sorry, I got quiet for a second, so I'm trying to figure out what this Dev++ does. Special dev features for Dev++ membership. I'm trying to get as much things into my apps as possible. Let's listen to some music while I try to figure myself out here. Hopefully it's not blazing loud like last time. Create API key for dev too. Oh, I see. So maybe what this is with dev 2++, now that I'm logged in, I can use any of these with that promo code. don't think I need this right now. Just set this to the side. So I think that's all I need. Supabase, Tabus, RevCat. Maybe I don't need 11 labs right now. Actually, what happened with 11 labs? Like, confused. Oh, it wasn't going to let me do the... It's not letting me use the checkout link. Maybe. Here we go. I'm gonna check the Discord. An option to use the code purchase is not available. Receive the builder pack. Others are also having this issue. Looks like it hasn't been fixed yet. Okay, so 11 labs, there's an 11 labs issue with the promo code. So I'm just gonna use this right now. And then integrate revenue cat to subscribe. To add a pro subscription option to the user's profile dashboard. Limit AI usage to users for tiers. Tier 1. How many credits? 1,000 credits. 1,000 AI credits. Free. Tier 2. Pro subscription. 10,000 AI credits per month. Just throw that out there. And then tier 3 is enterprise. Coming soon. Contact for more info. Okay, so we'll have a tier system, subscription. So I've got Supabase for my data, Tabus for AI, RevCat for subscriptions. What other nifty things is in here? Lingo was your app in with $50 in credits, valid for a year after redemption. Okay, let's just do this. Let's use this info. I'll have my thing. I'll have ChatGPT rewrite this. Okay, so okay, volunteer has 1,000 AI credits and 1 character. Pro has that and 3 characters. And then Enterprise is maybe I could just do 3 there and then this one's 5. Okay, so that's updated. Let's close this. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna copy and paste this in here. Let's see what it generates this time. Alright, so it's creating the super base, main index files, authorization, companion contexts, CSS, I'm sure I'm not the only AI romance simulator thing out there, but this one has a much different user interface and whatnot. And it's gamified because there's a specific end goal. And that's what makes this one a little bit more interesting. Buttons, layout, footer, navbar, button. All these lovely components. Landing page. That's message. Hello. Okay, login page, register page. While I'm waiting for this to load, I'm gonna jump into questions and see. See if there's somebody that can answer my questions about. don't know about this child image though. Gosh, guys. Let's pop this out. Let's take a look at what it did. Deep, meaningful conversations with your AI companion. Okay, well, so I'm gonna have to update this prompt now to not include minors. Gosh. Oh, there should be like a feature where include in profile settings and personality options explicit toggle for mature convo. Default explicit NSFW should be toggled off, and default chat rating to teen or PG-13. Default ban use of default hide. What's it called? Hide or asterisk. Default hide or asterisk curse words. So there, okay. And then require an age verification check in profile settings if they want to change these talk block. actually working. Wait, I'm gonna deploy it first. Let's deploy. Oh, we should create include a light mode and dark mode toggle in the navigation bar. Just toggle, okay. Okay, this looks cool so far. Okay, so I can build my dream companion without logging in first. So I can register, log in, and just sign up. I'm gonna make Bob is a lovely name. Gosh. Oh, it saved my choices via cookies. I think. Or did it default? Average. Oh no, yeah, it just chose some defaults. Tall. Athletic. Purple. Hazel. Tan. Previous steps work. Saves my choices. Personality up to 4. Shy. Protected. Loyal. Let's see, maybe not shy. Adventurous? Okay, I'm gonna turn off my music for this part. Ah, okay. So, this part. Use 11 labs. I know, I'm supposed to use 11 labs for that part. For AI voice overs. Allow options to allow preview options. Preview voiceover options during character creation. Latina. Let's do playful. British is fun. What happened? Why? What happened? No. Oh, it didn't work. What happened? Okay, I'm gonna have to Tall, athletic, hazel, purple, tan. Loyal, adventurous, humorous, and protective. Okay, next. No! No, it broke. Arg. Okay. Let's take out the voice stuff. Okay, I'm just gonna take out the voice stuff for now. Memory, sort of. No voicing. Writing. Tone of voice or a chat or chatting. Okay, dashboard chat UI. AI character creation. Personality, voice, accent options. Okay. The voice trait should only be text-based. Do not include voice generation feature for now. Added as a future feature with 11 labs. Okay. Nah, my stuff broke. So mad. Okay, well, let's check this login and see if I can log in. Sign up. Okay. Sign up, sign up, sign up. Password, I don't know. Okay, let's test it. Okay, let's sign up again. Why is this not storing? That's why. Oh, here we go. Oh, super base off. Confirm your sign up. Follow this link to confirm your user. Confirm mail. It actually sent Supabase. Confirmation. Heyo. Okay, okay. So I gotta config that still with Supabase. I'll make a new API key, I think. 2 warnings so far. Connecting. Ideal for application persistent, long-lived connections. Running on virtual machines or long-standing containers. Postgres. Transaction pooler. Session pooler. Oh, let's see. App frameworks. What is it using? It's using oh, hey. Hi, Rashawn. Welcome back. Nothing much. I reran the prompt that I got, but there's some issues with getting it all the way through past the voiceover part. So I'm reprompting it so that the voiceover is just going to be an added feature that we're going to do later. So I'm going to take it out. And then I'm testing my login and sign up options now. Looks like Supabase was able to email a confirmation to me, but I wasn't able quite yet to log in with my account. So okay, it's working. Oh my gosh, that's super cool. All right, so it did create like a thing. I just got to set it up with Supabase so that it creates like a more formal email, because right now it's just a random Supabase email. Free tier, current free tier, AI credits, companion 0 of 3, I can make companions. No companions yet, create your first companion. So that's working, that's super cool. Okay, let's see. So this time I'm going to be trying it from here with myself logged in. Oh, wait. I'm very curious to see how these UI components do. Dashboard. So it's like the same button. It's okay. Next, let's see if it saves all of my preferences. Protective, loyal, adventurous. Okay, this part, after this part, this is where it kind of trips up. It just ends up blank. And I don't know if it's because the next step after this is not finished or whatever. It just kind of broke. So why? Why did it break after the voice page, creation page? See art style, backstory, and preview. Personality, voice step. Companion use. So before I continue, handle voice change. Flex. Voice options map, handle voice on click, handle voice change. So that's in the creation page. Current step, use state, loading. Navigate to dashboard. Rendering. If I take out voice step, skip it. I wonder if it'll break. I want to try everything else this way. Okay. That's not where it was. I'm a noob when it comes to these things, to the coding part, so. Sparkles button. Chat dash person. Image URL. Okay, in a real app, this would generate so like appropriate images. For now, use placeholder images. That's fine. Dashboard. Okay, let's see. Styles text. Where is it? Voice step. Choose voice. Oh, it's got a loading page. That's cool. Effulgent speculoos. Is it because I made changes to it? Check is not defined. Art style step. I broke it. How did I break it? I did like literally one thing. Maybe I should ask Bolt to rewrite my prompt this time. Okay, this seemed to make it work. So there was something wrong with the art style step. It was something like that. Interesting. Here's my companion. And then it makes me sign up. Okay, that's better UI or UX. So log in. Okay, let's see if this saves. Champion. Failed to create. Why? Probably because it's in a preview. Why? Super base request failed because what? Because what? My URL isn't working. I'm tempted to just kind of make this the way I want it and then tell Bolt, okay, turn this into a single prompt. Help me recreate this as a single prompt for you and see if that works. Oh. That probably would help. The server restarted. I'm checking out the Supabase stuff right now. It seems to not be generating. What's wrong with this? Refresh. Now it's not loading. Why is it not loading? It's connected. Why is it still loading? Redeploy? Should ask for a sign up. I mean, people signed up. I haven't seen it. Newsletter. Add a newsletter. I'm gonna put that in my notes here. Add to the profile dashboard a newsletter sign up option. The form collection and submission should be through Netlify, I guess, or Supabase, whichever is the most applicable. Cheaper? Cheap is good. So it deployed. Deploy serverless functions to run in the background. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, getting stumped here a bit. Why is it not going now? Swirling, swirling. Uh-oh. Huh? You're checking on mommy. Oh, get chicken for mommy. Wow, thank you. Oh, uh-oh. Hi, bud. Mommy's working right now. I'll come out in 5 minutes, okay? I know. Okay. I'm coming, buddy. I'm coming, bud. Okay. Let me log off. All right, I'm coming. Okay. Okay, bye, people. Okay, bye. I'll try to figure this out, but I think this will be my one-shot project if I can make it work. Thanks for coming, guys.